A cubical block of metal weighs 6 pounds. How much will another cube of the same metal weigh if its sides are twice as long? Okay, so to solve this problem, we will use the formula for volume of a cube. So what is the formula for volume of a cube? The formula is V is equal to S cube, where S is the length of the side of the cube. Okay? So given a cubical block of metal weighs 6 pounds. So we will let the volume equal 6. Okay? And then we will solve for the value of S. Okay? So substitute 6 to this V. So we have 6 is equal to S cubed. And now solve for the side. We need to take the cube root of both sides so that we can cancel the exponent. Okay? So therefore, cube root of both sides so that we can cancel this. So the value of S is equal to cube root of 6. Then next, the question is how much will another cube of the same metal weigh if its sides are twice as long? So we will double the side. So therefore the new volume, so let's put subscript n. So the new volume is equal to, so we will multiply the side by 2 because it says that twice as long. How much will another cube of the same metal weigh if the sides are twice as long? So multiply this by 2. So we have 2, and then we have cube root of 6. And then we will cube this. So this is the formula. V is equal to cube of the side. So the new side is 2 times cube root of 6. And then we cube that, so we distribute the exponent to 2 and then to cube root of 6. So therefore, the new volume is equal to 2 cube times the cube root of 6 and then we cube that. So let's simplify. 2 cube, that means 2 times 2 times 2. So therefore, the answer to that is 8 times, we can cancel the cube and the cube root. So we have 8 times 6 and that is equal to 48. So therefore, the volume, if the sides are twice as long, is equal to 48, 48 pounds. Okay? So to visualize, let us draw the figure. So let us draw the figure. So this is the original volume of the cube. Okay? So let's draw the cube. Okay? So let's draw the cube. So this is the original cube, and then we will double the sides. The sides are twice as long. So let us double each side. So let's start with this side. So if we double this, okay. So we have this, and then okay. And then double this side. We double this side, so we will have this figure. And then now double this side. So therefore, this is the figure that we will get from doubling all the sides. So we have a total of, let's count the number of cube. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 5 at the back, 6, 7 at the back, and then this is 8. So total, we have 8, 8 cubes. And then the weight of 1 cube is 6 pounds. So we have 8 times 6, that is equal to 48 pounds. Okay, so same answer, letter A, 48 pounds. Okay? Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa, i-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, math and logic lang, but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.